How to turn on ringer on iPhone. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you turn on ringer on iPhone. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to try with the side button that iPhone have provided you. So that side button will appear at the left hand side of your mobile devices. So you have to turn on and turn off that button by using physically. So you have to check that button. Okay, so after you turn on, it will be on silent, and after you turn off that, you'll be able to turn on the ringer on iPhone. So after this, you'll have to also check the ringer option from your iPhone. So for that, you'll have to open the settings from your iPhone. Okay, so from the settings section, you'll have to scroll down and go the options like sounds and haptics. So simply tap on it. Alright, so from the sounds and haptics section, make sure that you have the set the level of ringtones and alert to its maximum level. So you have to set it to its maximum level. Alright, so after you done this, you'll have to just back from here, and from the home page, you'll have to check whether the your iPhone is on don't disturb mode or not. So for that, you'll have to swipe down from your home screen, and from there you'll have to go that option focus. So simply tap on it, and from the focus section, make sure that your iPhone is not on do not disturb mode. So you have to turn off that option. So after you turn off this option, you'll be able to turn on the ringer on iPhone. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.